In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files in Google Drive. Whether you're looking to store important documents, organize your digital life, or simply keep a backup of your files, Google Drive is a reliable and efficient platform to meet your needs. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to Google Drive, open up your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com. Once there, you may be prompted to sign into your Google account, especially if you're not already logged in. Enter your login credentials to access your Google Drive account. Once you are in, focus your attention on the left sidebar of the Google Drive homepage. Here you'll find the plus new button, usually bold and easily visible. Click on this button. It's your gateway to uploading files or folders from your computer to Google Drive. After clicking plus new, you'll notice a drop-down menu offering a couple of crucial options. You can choose either file upload or folder upload. If you're looking to upload individual files, select file upload. However, if your aim is to transfer an entire folder, you should opt for folder upload. This flexibility allows you to conveniently manage different types of uploads depending on your personal or professional requirements. Next, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's directories. Navigate to the location of the file or folder you wish to upload. Once you've located it, click on your desired file or folder to highlight it, and then click Open to initiate the uploading process. Now, patience is key. You'll need to wait for the upload to be completed. During this time, it's vital not to close your browser or navigate away from Google Drive, as doing so may interrupt the upload and you'll have to start the process all over again. You don't want that to happen, so keep the page open and let it do its thing. While the file is being uploaded, you can monitor the progress thanks to a handy status bar that appears at the bottom right corner of your screen. This little bar provides real-time feedback on the upload status, keeping you informed about the approximate time remaining until completion. Once the upload is finished, your file or folder will be safely stored in your Google Drive, accessible from any device with an internet connection. And that's it. Adding files to Google Drive is a simple yet highly effective way to ensure your data is stored securely online. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now feeling confident about uploading your files to Google Drive. Don't hesitate to explore more features that Google Drive offers, like sharing files with others or organizing your stored items into folders. Happy uploading,